Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's quickly get started with one more simple Colab trick which will help you to compare two different notebooks. Many times we want to compare two different notebooks for some reasons and or any two code files. Many times we want to compare two code files. If the code files are in script, for example Python file or R file, then we can simply copy paste the code and use the online text comparison tools to compare the text. But if it is a notebook, it becomes challenging to compare the notebooks. If you are working in Jupyter, you might need to use something like NBDime or NBDiff. But if you're working in Colab, it's super easy to compare two different Colab notebooks. So let's get started. This is basically a copy of my original file. My original file is named Getting Started with Colab, and I have just created a copy of the same file with some changes so that we can compare these two files. Now, if this is my original file, let me show you. So these are two files which I am going to compare. So it's super easy. We just need to go to Tool, and here we have Diff Notebooks. So we need to click here on Diff Notebooks. It will open up in a separate tab. And you will see here that two Colab files are open and both the files are same. That's why we are not able to see any difference. So we can browse the file which we want to compare by clicking this down arrow here, or maybe by clicking the down arrow here, wherever we want to change the file. So both the files are I think Getting Started with Colab. I need to change one of the file to copy of Getting Started. This file, let me check. It is Getting Started with Colab on the left hand side and its copy is there on the right hand side. And you can see the changes are highlighted here in both the files. So as we do in any compare text tool, we can just drag and see where are the changes. So basically both of my files are same, just few changes I have made for the demo purpose. So you can see here this. So in the original file, we don't have this code chunk, which is here in the new file. I have added some more code. You can see here % code, which represent that there is a change in code chunk. And what code is new to this file? I have just used some NumPy calculation to make some changes in the file. Few more changes we can see here. In the beginning, we say the name here is Getting Started with Colab Tips and Tricks. The name here is Copy of Getting Started. So this part is highlighted, you can see here. And here in the original file, we have some text cell which talks about references, and few references are written. But this portion is not there in this file, that's why it's marked as red. And instead, in the copy file, we have a code cell. You can see here it is written code cell, or even it is written here % code, which shows that in the copy file I have added some new code, and what code I have added you can see here. So it's very simple. We can just compare these code files, and let me just show you. It is the change here in the copy file. I have added some code to print this message here, which is not there in my original file. I think it's here. And in the original file, I have some references here. Second change which I have done here is, I think, let me do NumPy. Actually, I should use Control H. This code is there, and this code is not there in the original file. Let me check it here. Control H if I am doing for searching in Colab. So not found. So basically two changes I have made in these code files, and all these changes are reflecting in these. One more thing is we can do is, we don't actually need to open the files at the first place to compare the file. We can simply open just one file, and we can keep on changing the files which we want to compare by browsing from here. Sometimes we have 2-3 files with similar names and we want to compare, so we can do that. And once we are done with the comparison, if we just want to open that particular file, we can click here, Open Notebook in a new tab, or we can click here, Open Notebook in a new tab. So if we will click there, it will open that particular notebook in a new tab. Hope this is useful for you. Thank you.